So our chapter is starting with every individual has unique style of drawing. How there are 3 empty boxes, and in these empty boxes 3 drawings are there. And if you notice, all the drawings are not similar, they are very unique. They are different from each other. It means every individual's ideas and thoughts are different from others. Now there is one more empty box. You can draw your drawing also, and you can match whether your drawing is matching with these 3 or that is different. So it means every individual have their own ideas and thoughts to display. Now here there is an exercise. Fill out the following information about yourself, and you have to fill it yourself. Like you will answer, when I go out, I like wearing. What kind of clothes do you would like to wear when you go out? Then which language do you speak at home, and what is your favorite sport, and which kind of books do you like to read? And you have to do it yourself. After doing it, you can ask your friends also what answers they have written regarding these questions, and you will wonder to know that many of the students might be giving their different answers. It is only because every person has their own way of living, way of doing the things. It means they are individual, and they are free to display their thoughts. Making friends. Now in this question here, do you think it would be easy for you to make friends with someone who was very different from you? So whenever we make friends, we always look at the outer appearance of the person. By looking at them, we judge them that whether they are good or they are bad, and accordingly we make friends. But this thought can be of some persons, but there might be some other students or the other people who must not be having same thoughts of making friends like the other one. They must be feeling very easy and comfortable with the new ones to make friends. Now every individual is unique. If we only look at the outer appearance of the person, it is very difficult to judge them. So it is said that every individual is unique. So unique means everyone's habits are different, the nature is different, the way of living is different. That is unique, and that makes a person unique and individual from others. And this will help the person to make a friend very easily. Now here we have 2 persons here, Samir 1 and Samir 2. There is a story that Samir 1 and Samir 2. This one student who is selling the newspaper of Hindi and English, and he is reading out, and there is one more boy who is just crossing the road, and he is looking at the boy who is selling the newspaper, and he is asking for the newspaper. And the Samir 2 is reading out the headlines mixed with the Hindi and English, and he's just trying to get the attention of the people who is crossing the road, and only to just sell their newspaper. So this Samir 1 is watching at him, is looking at him, and he is going near him and asking the newspaper, and he asked the newspaper in Hindi. So when Samir 1 asks the newspaper in Hindi, the boy is wondering why he is asking in Hindi, the newspaper in Hindi. And he says, do you know Hindi? Then Samir 1 says, yes, of course he knows Hindi, because he has learnt Hindi subject in his school. So Samir 2 does not know about the subject. He asks, what is subject? Then Samir 1 explains to him what is subject, and this way they become friendly with each other. On the third meeting, they introduced themselves to each other. First one said, my name is Samir. Then he said shyly, what is your name? Then he said to the second boy, said he also is Samir. In this way, the first one said, my name is Samir because it is the name of Hanuman and his father has given this name to him. So he said that I am Samir 1 and now onwards you are Samir 2. And they all, both of them, shake their hands with each other. Next day, when Samir came, Samir 1 came and he met Samir 2, he saw that he was sad. Then the usual smile was not there, and he said, he asked him what was the problem. Then Samir 2 said there is a problem in his city, and he is very much worried about his mother, and because he is a Muslim boy and he has to go back to his hometown.